Let's do a cool experiment. By Solar Energy. I want a cup of tea. But how? Idea. Let's do an experiment to make tea with the help of solar energy. The sun is shining and I have a jug filled with water. So I need some sugar, milk and tea leaf. The most important is the magnifying glass. Do I have a magnifying glass? Yes, I have. Let's make some tea. While the sunshine is going through the magnifying glass and heating the water. And after 5 minutes the water is spoiling. Now put sugar, milk and tea leaf as you want. Tea is ready. Enjoy. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.